Due to the lack of awareness of the global issues, Malaysians are much less aware of the impact of plastics.
Single-use carry bags are killing our ocean. We need to do something to stop that. Until we can fundamentally change people's behaviour, we won't be able to make a difference.
Mengambil langkah proaktif dengan melancarkan Adaptable
Tesco
Bag.
Malaysia launched the Unforgettable Bag.
Even if they bring them back once, it starts to resolve the problem. But we've seen hundreds of thousands of bags coming back already, and we see that moving into the millions before the end of the year.
The Unforgettable Bag gives people a reason to bring back bags, even if they don't know about the environment.